BLACKBERRY Motion, let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be the calendar, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down simultaneously those two keys and just capture the screen. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your pictures, you can use upper bar, and here you can choose screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by using the following screen. Choose apps icon here from the following list of apps, and let's find and select photos. Here you can sign in to backup your device to Google Drive, or you can keep off the backup. Here you can tap the screenshot folder when you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.